Event technology in 2023 is what we need to make a simple event become an experience. Hi everybody, I'm Julius Solaris and today we're talking event tech. After the pandemic, we need event technology to bridge the gap between online and offline and make events more interactive. So I attended two events here in Las Vegas, LDI and DSC. These are events for experienced designers to show you what's hot in event technology in 2023. What I'm going to show you now are some of the best examples I've seen on the show floor. Something that I've noticed at all the events I've attended in 2022 is the constant use of displays. Whether they're used as background for keynotes or at trade shows, immersive displays are becoming the norm. What I saw at the show is how the technology is evolving and creating very vivid images, as well as playful versions of displays to communicate brand activations. Another big trend for 2023 is holograms. These are becoming incredibly important for hybrid events. These are events that connect online and offline audiences. Holograms create a strong feeling of presence, especially if you're having remote speakers. I've used this company called Art Media. They've evolved their format of holograms into a box. This is pretty impressive technology for holograms. It feels very real. You can actually interact with it. I saw another company creating a slimmer version of the box. It's more like a transparent screen, and the impression was amazing. Before we dive into the next piece of technology, do remember to sign up to my newsletter, where I share research, analysis, and trends for events in 2023. If you think about in-person, the opening night of an event is becoming a full-fledged show. Since the Lady Gaga halftime show at the Super Bowl, drones have become protagonists of opening ceremonies. And specifically, these amazing drone shows that you see in the sky, creating incredible visuals that everybody wants to share on social media. I saw a lot of these drones on the show floor. Here's one, actually a more affordable way to do incredibly visual ceremonies. If we want events to become experiences, we need to engage the audience. Wearables are becoming events staples to facilitate networking or to become part of the show. This engagement tech that I saw was super cool. One that you see here are bracelets that you wear from a company called Pixmob. The bracelet syncs with the music and makes you become part of the show. A similar idea that you can see here on the screen is an app that you download. It actually controls the flashlight on the back of your phone to sync it with music. Once again, you are part of the show with these technologies. Artificial intelligence is a great solution to make sense of all the overwhelming chaos happening around us at events. As we find ourselves first-time attendees for many events, there's too much information. One of the best examples of the use of AI at events is this voice-activated assistant that can tell you where to find lunch, for example, on the show floor. Events have become incredible opportunities to create content for our social personas. But what happens when your phone loses all the juice? You need to recharge. These charging stations I love because you can carry the battery with you and keep on streaming and creating content while at the event. So that's it for me, my friends. I hope you enjoyed event technology trends for 2023. Now's the time to hit that like button, give us a subscribe, and hasta la vista.